Hyundai key fobs can be opened using two main methods: a release button or splitting the case. For fobs with a release button, found on many newer models like the 2020 Plus Kona, locate the small indented button, often marked with a key icon, on the side or back. Press it firmly with a paperclip or key tip to release the latch, allowing the halves to separate without force. If your fob doesn't have a release button, common in pre-2018 models like the Genesis series, you'll need to split the case. Use a plastic trim removal tool or a butter knife to gently wedge between the seams, starting at the keyring end and working around the edges. Avoid using metal tools to prevent static damage to the internal circuits. With the key fob open, locate the battery. Carefully remove the old battery, noting its orientation. The positive side is usually up. Remove the old battery, which may be held by a clip or tape. Insert a new battery, typically CR2032 or CR2450. Hyundai recommends OEM batteries for compatibility. Place the new battery in the correct orientation, positive side up. Reassemble the fob by snapping the halves together. A gentle tap may help. After replacement, some fobs need reprogramming. Press the lock button multiple times while inside the car.